How to check Google Play Store balance. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up Play Store. And once you do that, click on the profile picture or icon at the top right. And from here, click on payments and subscriptions. And after that, click on payment methods. And on this page right here, you will see that the first section, it has the Google Play balance displayed. And in my case right here, it's $0. So there where you will be able to see and find your Google Play balance in the first section of this page. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can see your Google Play balance. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. With that said, see you in the next video.